From this workshop I learned a lot that has to do with the workshop and that doesn't have to do with the workshop. The newsworthy canvas was new to me, definitely, and apparently it is very new.
Ah, the dinosaur. Okay, the dinosaur. It gave me a new way of thinking how I can include the marketing aspect.
Brings together both like tools from communication and psychology.
I think it was a very clear way of not forgetting all the aspects that you really need to consider when creating something newsworthy.